Imagine a night sky pulsing with digital artistry, thousands of drones dancing in perfect precision, painting living light across the heavens. This is not science fiction. It's the spectacle of modern drone shows, where technology transforms the sky into the world's largest digital canvas. The secret isn't just in the drones themselves, but the invisible brain commanding their every move. At the heart of each mega show is swarm intelligence. A central computer acts as the mastermind, choreographing the flight paths of thousands, sometimes over 6,000 individual drones. Each drone becomes a pixel in a vast, three-dimensional artwork. How do they do it without chaos? First, exact positioning. Each drone receives constant location updates using RTK GPS, a technology so precise it can guide drones within centimeters of their target in the sky. This means intricate animations, like a phoenix soaring above Dubai, aren't just art, but feats of precise engineering. Communication is the lifeblood of the swarm. Drones don't chatter over Wi-Fi. Instead, they connect using encrypted mesh networks. This web allows them to share flight data instantly and securely, dodging interference and preventing eavesdropping. With every drone in communion, the entire swarm acts as one, responsive and unified. But what prevents mid-air collisions? The answer lies in predictive algorithms. The central software runs thousands of simulations every second, dynamically adjusting each drone's path. If even one drone falters, the swarm adapts, maintaining harmony and safety. The result? Record-breaking marvels, such as the 2026 UAE New Year show, when over 6,500 drones lifted off in choreography, creating luminous cityscapes, mythic creatures, and sweeping animations, all without a single crash. Each light is perfectly timed, every movement a calculated brushstroke. Unlike fireworks, drone shows are programmable canvases. Animations can morph in real time, storytelling with light, color, and motion. Crowd favorites include giant waving flags, photorealistic faces, and swirling galaxies, all brought to life in 3 dimensions high above the Earth. Designers start with digital models, plotting every maneuver in specialized software. The central computer then translates the choreography into flight commands, wirelessly updating each drone's route as the show unfolds. Backup systems and AI ensure that, even in unpredictable wind or rain, the display stays both safe and stunning. As drone technology keeps evolving, artists and engineers are pushing boundaries with scale, speed, and complexity. Upcoming AI advances promise even more dynamic, reactive performances, where the swarm could one day adapt live to the audience itself. For spectators, the impact goes far beyond the technical. These shows mark a turning point in public entertainment, blending art and engineering to create experiences powered by digital creativity rather than pyrotechnics. No noise, no pollution, just orchestrated light, silently redefining our celebrations. This is sky art for a new era, a vision where the invisible brain behind the drones brings both inspiration and wonder. Next time you look up and see 1,000 points of light swirling in harmony, remember, you're witnessing the future of spectacle, where technology transforms imagination into reality, pixel by pixel.